Just received your new Capital One credit card? Let's activate it quickly using the mobile app today. Activating your card only takes a few minutes directly from your smartphone. Start by opening the Capital One mobile app on your phone. If you already have an account, log in using your username and password. After signing in, the Capital One dashboard should load on your screen. Tap on your credit card account from the app homepage. You may see a notification asking you to activate your new card. Look for the Activate Card button and tap it to continue. Now, hold your Capital One card near the smartphone camera carefully. The app may automatically scan your card information for faster activation. If scanning does not work, you can enter the card details manually. Type the security code and verify the required account information carefully. Once everything looks correct, confirm the activation request in the app. The app will now securely process your card activation request online. Wait a few seconds while the activation process completes successfully. You should now see a confirmation message saying your card is activated. Your Capital One credit card is now ready for purchases and payments. Next, you can create or update your card PIN directly in the app. A secure PIN helps protect your card during ATM and store transactions. You should also enable purchase notifications for better account security. These alerts help you track spending activity instantly on your smartphone. You can even add the card to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. This allows quick contactless payments directly from your mobile phone. Once added, your card will appear inside the digital wallet app. Now you can test the card with a small purchase if needed. If the payment is approved, your activation was completed successfully. Always keep your Capital One app updated for security and new features. Never share your card details or security code with unknown people online. And that's how to activate a Capital One credit card using the app easily.